Hey guys, and welcome to another video of my Super Science Classroom. We are talking about fluid dynamics over the next week. And so we talked today what a fluid was, gases or liquids, anything that can flow and take the shape of its container. We also talked about what pressure is, and pressure is force over a certain area. But tomorrow we're going to talk about buoyancy, and buoyancy is the force that determines whether something floats or sinks in a fluid. There are two very important scientists that we're going to talk about in regards to fluids, and one of them is Archimedes. And Archimedes says this: "For objects in fluids, the buoyant force is an upward and equal force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by that object." Bernoulli is another scientist that has to do with fluid dynamics, and he has a very important law about fluids and their pressure and speed and how they relate. Here's Bernoulli's law. Pressure in a fluid decreases as the speed of the fluid increases. Finally, this week we're going to be building aluminum foil boats, and we'll be testing them, and we're going to be adding mass to those boats by adding dice to the top of the boats. And I want you to make a prediction, a hypothesis. What do you think will happen when you add more and more dice to your boat? Do you think that the boat will stay afloat? Do you think that the boat will sink? At what point do you think the boat will sink? How many dice do you think a boat of aluminum could hold? So be thinking about your hypothesis, because we'll be forming those hypotheses later on this week. And I'll see you next time.